Check out this head turner, 2016 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. This is a 3LT Z51 package car, and then there's some on top of that. It has a carbon fiber hood insert. It's got the C7 carbon fiber effects on the side, and of course the splitter up front. Has the custom wheels, that red pinstripe to match the interior, as well as those brake calipers. Very beautiful car. There's a little over 9,700 miles, I believe it is, 97 and 9,790. So less than 10,000 miles in this 2016 Vet. Some of the other notable features on this car: does have the slotted rotors up front here. Is an automatic transmission, so to have the 8-speed paddle shift. Dual note exhaust. Performance mode. Has the windscreen here in the back for when the top's down. You can see that red interior. This car just turns heads on the showroom floor, or if we have it pulled outside, people coming by. Would have stickered in excess of $80,000. I believe the window sticker is $80,650 if I remember right. You can check out our still pictures, and you can see the receipts for the aftermarket things done to this at uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the still pictures of the red interior and underneath the hood. I think there's a copy of that window sticker that'll show you the MSRP on it also. Very sweet ride. Give us a call if you got any questions. 507-386-1726. Like I said, you can check out the still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. 2016 Stingray convertible 3LT Z51 package with some ads on top of that.